I don't think, okay, fitness is maybe a point, because I have already said that I have adapted my intensity of training sessions to a lower level. But I have to give a certain level because we need to play 90 minutes. That I have said in former press conferences. But I think we are fit enough, because what I see of my players, they are fighting till the last minute, and they are willing to do everything. So I'm very happy with that passion of my players. No, and that I have explained the questions 10 minutes ago, that we have to learn to kill the game. And you can do that not with 1, not with 3, not with 8. We have to do that with 11 players. And all the 11 players have to think the same. Otherwise, you lose balls unnecessary, and then we are going back instead of forward. So that's what we have to do. But that's not so easy. That takes time.